Mhm.
Can you tell me a brief, in brief, in 5 minutes, what is the difference between carbohydrates and lipids? Then we will move forward to proteins.
Uh,
Yes.
or which one?
Difference between carbohydrates and proteins. In which
Carbo.
scenario, at what time we need to take carbohydrate, and at what time we need to take lipids, how lipids help us, how carbohydrates help us. We are done with this, right?
Yeah, yeah. Carbo. Yeah.
Mhm.
Carbohydrate like helps you like to give you instant energy, and
Yes.
lipids like stores energy by ATP for longer uses of time.
Yeah. Lipids store energy for longer period of time. Okay, in the form of fats and oils, not ATP. Okay. What about the composition of carbohydrates and the lipids? Hmm?
Uh, Composition of lipid, like it has three strands of fatty acids.
Hmm. Chain. Three
Yeah,
chains
yeah.
of fatty acids. And
Um,
with
and then
which
it has
molecule?
like
With which molecule
glycerol.
these? Yeah, these are connected with glycerol. Okay. We have two types of lipids, right? What are those two?
Yeah, those two are
Hmm.
fats and oils.
Yes. And what is the difference between them?
Fats like have like are solids at room temperature, but oils are not like uh like are liquid at room temperature, you
Yes.
know.
And what about their composition? Like if we talk about the fats composition and oils composition, how they are
Fats
different from it.
have like three chains of fatty acids, but one of them is what's it called unsaturated.
In fats, are you sure?
No, no, saturated in fats and unsaturated on oils.
Yes. In oil, at least one chain can be unsaturated. At least there will be one double bond, right? What about the
Mhm.
melting and boiling points of fats and oils?
Melting fats have a high melting and boiling point
Okay, why?
because they have like three strong fatty acid chains that are saturated.
Yeah, they all are having single bond, and single bonds are stronger. They are the
Stronger, yeah.
strongest bonds. Right, good.
Yes.
What about oils?
Oils
Melting and boiling
like
point of oils.
it has low because like
Hmm.
it has at least one unsaturated
Bond, yes. So
yeah.
unsaturation, when there is double bond is always weak, right?
Yeah.
And the single bond is always a stronger bond. So when you have double bond, the double bond is a weak bond, and that is why we can say that this double bond is, because of this double bond, they have low melting and boiling points, right?
Yeah.
What about carbohydrates? What are the types of carbohydrates and how carbohydrates are formed?
Carbohydrates are formed by like carbohydrates are like pastas and that stuff.
They are pasta and like there are these stuffs,
Yeah, like
okay?
bread, yeah.
Yes. What is their composition? I am talking about their composition. I'm opening my file
Like
here.
made from carb, like it has carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen.
Yes. And can you tell me the general formula of carbohydrates? You know the general formula?
No.
This one, CXH2O, if you remember. That hydrogen will always
Uh,
be double. This one,
oh, okay, okay. Okay. CXH2OY.
H2OY. Right. It means if you have six carbon atoms, it means hydrogen will be like if I
Hydrogen will
ask
be
you,
more.
no, I this is the formula. I'm saying
Yeah.
write the formula if you have six carbons. If you have a carbohydrate of six carbons, what will be its formula? So what you will do? C6 hydrogen will be,
C6. Yeah.
how many hydrogen will be there?
H12.
Yes,
No,
and
if
oxygen.
there's
You're right. Six
yeah, it
C6
is. I'm
H12,
saying for O. Yeah, oxygen there will be one.
not one. It's Y outside this. Always remember
Oh, okay,
carbon
okay.
and oxygen are same,
Mm-hmm.
hydrogen are double. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So this formula is telling us CxH2O, right?
Yeah.
These are same. X, just to differentiate, we have written Y. The number will be same. If I am saying that you have six carbon atoms, it will you will write six. You will write six here, and you will write six here. Then you will open it,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
When you will open it, when what will you get? C6H
H2O.
H12. I'm
H12, and
saying.
then
I'm saying that let's say you have. I'm saying you have six carbons, right? Six carbons. So it
yeah.
means you will write six here, right? Then water, then six here, right? This is what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying. Now you will open it. When you will open it, what will be this? What will be this? Hydrogen.
It will be 12.
And what about oxygen?
Oxygen will be it will be 12 as well.
No, not 12.
Six
Oxygen,
times.
6. 6
Yeah.
times
Oh, it's
1.
six times one, so
Yes,
6.
6, right? This is
Okay.
the
Oh,
general
okay,
formula.
okay. So it's okay, okay.
Yeah,
I
right?
got it.
Simple. If you don't know this, you can simply say, oh, what is happening with this. Simply, the general formula for this is, I don't know what is happening with this. C X H2O X. You can write X here, okay,
Mm.
for your own use.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is Y, just for it for writing purpose. Simple
Yeah.
is that whatever the number they tell you, if they're saying that write the formula for if you have a carbohydrate of 50 carbon atoms. Let's say there are 50 carbon atoms. So it means X will be 50 and Y will also be 50. So what you will do?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
C50
Yeah.
H2O 50, right? Are you getting this?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, what will be this C50? Now, how many hydrogen will be there if you open this?
Like if I open this, there will be 50 times so 100
100
hydrogens and
hydrogen.
50 oxygens.
Yeah, this is what I am saying. Okay, are you getting this formula?
Yeah.
Simply, we can say CH2O. General formula is this CH2O, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the number, they will always tell you the number of carbon atoms, okay, in the question.
Yeah.
They can say, let's say you have 50 carbon like this. They can say, let's say you have 25 carbon atoms, right? So 25 carbon atoms, how many hydrogen atom will be there?
If there's
25.
25,
Hmm.
yeah,
So how many
carbon,
hydrogens?
there should be like two hydrogens
Why two hydrogens? This is
because
general formula.
wait, oh,
Formula
C's.
is, this
Oh,
is the formula CxH2O, right?
hmm.
C is
Yeah.
25. How many hydrogens will be there
Okay.
now?
25 times 2, there will be 50.
Oxygen.
Oxygen will be 25.
Yeah. So this is the general formula of the carbohydrate, right? If they ask you what is the general formula, you will write this. Okay.
Hmm.
Like if they
Yeah.
ask you what is the chemical composition, so you will say the carbohydrates are made by the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, right?
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
what are the types of carbohydrates?
Types of carbohydrates are like
You see
what's
this.
it called? Like a monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide.
What is the difference?
What's it called? Monosaccharide is like the one unit, and there's the disaccharides and like polysaccharides, which are disaccharides are two units, and polysaccharides are three or more. And polysaccharide and disaccharide can be broken down, but monosaccharide can't.
Okay. Uh, so monosaccharide. If I now tell me if I want to make polysaccharide from a monosaccharide,
Mm.
do I need to undergo condensation or hydrolysis?
If you want to go to from monosaccharide,
Monosaccharide to polysaccharide, right? From monosaccharide, mono is a smaller unit, right?
yeah,
To a bigger unit. So what is needed?
It mean like you need to, what's it called, make what's condensation.
Yeah, you will do condensation. Good. And if I want to go from disaccharide to monosaccharide,
You have to add water, so hydrolysis.
yeah, hydrolysis. Good.
Yeah.
So this was the general discussion about the carbohydrates. Then now our topic is on proteins. What do you know about proteins? What is the function of proteins?
Proteins to build up muscles.
Yeah, they build up muscles, and the most
Uh,
important ones are proteins because our structure they play the structural role. They make the structures of our body, right?
yeah,
That's why proteins are very much important. First thing is, uh, when we talk about the proteins, you know that the proteins have how many amino acids are there? In total, you know about the amino acids and all these things.
yeah.
What are amino acids?
Amino acids are basically like others,
Mm.
like it's basically something like that helps with like breaking. No, that not breaks it. That's something. It's like, is it like something that makes up? No, I'm not sure. Proteins.
Yeah, the amino acids make up the proteins, right?
Yeah,
And okay, wait a minute, because you don't have the pictures of that. I am sharing one. I have to download it, okay, from the WhatsApp. Just wait
yeah,
for a
sure,
minute.
sure.
Okay, now, the proteins. Can you see this?
Hmm. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. The proteins, they are the considered as the tiny robots of our body, right?
Hmm.
Now, my question is to you, why we say that they are considered as the tiny robots? Can you think about their functions? What are their different functions?
For like proteins,
Hmm.
like to build up muscles, or you know.
Sometimes you see there are some proteins which are known as builder proteins, right? They are making the our body. So that's why they are known
Hmm.
as builders, right? The keratin, the keratin is present in our hairs and nails. So
Yeah, yeah,
the keratin makes your hair and nails.
yeah, yeah.
Collagen, collagen is present in your skin, right? It holds your skin. So
Yeah.
these are known as builder proteins, right? These are known as builder
Builder
protein.
proteins.
Yeah. Similarly, there are some proteins which are considered as they deliver substance. For example, hemoglobin. You know what is the function of hemoglobin?
No.
Hemoglobin actually carries oxygen from your lungs. We breathe
Oh,
in
okay, okay.
oxygen, and
Hmm.
the oxygen is in our lungs, right? So how this oxygen goes to different parts of body, how it enters the blood, the hemoglobin carries it. Okay, hemoglobin carries it from the lungs and it delivers it to different parts of your body where it is needed. Just like the delivery company, what is their function? They they receive your parcel from the company and they deliver you, right?
Hmm.
So the company is making your product, whatever product you have ordered. The delivery team, the delivery section will deliver you. Similarly, hemoglobin has this function. The hemoglobin will deliver the oxygen from the lungs to different parts of the body. So that's why we say hemoglobin is this. This is short form of hemoglobin. This is a delivery protein. Okay, hemoglobin is protein. So this is a
Mm-hmm.
delivery protein, right? Are you
Yeah.
getting this? Okay.
Yeah.
Are we clear with this? So
Yeah.
till now we have discussed about keratin. Keratin is present in our hairs and nails, so it is making our structures, right? If I ask you about the structural proteins, so you can mention keratin. Okay, you can mention collagen, right? You can mention
Yeah.
collagen as well. Collagen is in your skin. It is holding your skin. Similarly, the hemoglobin, it is the delivery protein. Why we say it is delivery protein? Because it is delivering oxygen from the lungs to different part of your body. They have mentioned that hemoglobin is basically the Uber driver. You know what is the Uber company do? The Uber driver, they drop you from one location to other location, right? You know about Uber or Yango or any
Yeah.
these transportation facilities. These companies they give transport facilities, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, defense system. Okay, so you see they have different functions. Like lipids, if we talk about lipids, lipids have they play a structural role, right? They give you thermal regulation and they provide you energy for long term use. Similarly, if we talk about carbohydrate, carbohydrate provide us instant energy. But when we talk about proteins, proteins have many different functions. They have variety of functions. They're performing variety of functions. That's why we say that proteins are tiny robots in our body. Because you know what robots do? You give command to a robot, that robot will do that particular task, right?
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, you will give task to another robot, that robot will do that work. They all are
Yeah.
specific in their functions. Similarly, we have different proteins, they all have different functions. Keratin cannot carry oxygen to different parts of your body. Collagen cannot do this. Collagen will only perform its own function. Similarly, keratin will only perform its own function. Similarly, hemoglobin, it is the Uber driver. It will carry the oxygen to your bloodstream, okay, from your lungs. So the purpose of saying this is simple, that the proteins, there are many proteins in our body and they all are performing different functions. Okay. One more important thing is they provide us defense system. You know how they provide us defense system? The proteins,
No.
they make the antibodies. You know how antibodies are
Oh.
made? In which process antibodies are formed?
Uh, uh, I'm not sure.
Sorry, wait a minute. Uh, yeah, sorry, defense system. If you see, you know what happens with our body when some bacteria enters in our body?
Uh, like some, like in our body, they fight with it,
They,
or
yes,
like,
like when
yeah.
bacteria enters in our body, they can cause infection, right?
Yeah.
If the bacteria enters in your body and they are fighting with your body, what will be the response of your body?
Uh, like they have to like defend it, or like we have,
And you are right.
you
Your
know.
body will have to provide a defense system, right, against bacteria. Otherwise you will die, right? So
Yeah.
these antibodies are produced in this process. When any bacteria enters in our body, any bacteria, any viral infection, any fungal infection you get, so antibodies are activated in our body. What are antibodies? Anti means against that bacteria or against that fungi. So these antibodies, they are made up of proteins. Okay, they are made up of proteins.
Proteins.
That's why we say that proteins provide us the defense system. That's why we say that the proteins provide the defense system to our body. And that's why we say that
Hmm.
these all proteins are providing, they are considered as the tiny robots of your body, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can end here. I think you have a class, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, we will do this in next class, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay. Take care.
Allah Hafiz. Take care.